Niggas bullshit. Weak ass police. Welcome back to another video though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This your boy LaDarren. No, I ain't do the intro and my energy is off, but that's because the police is here, bro. And like, I just pulled up and it looked like people leaving again. Like, don't like that shit, bro. And the fact that I be driving all the way like far, bro, just to come to the meet, and then like people shut the shit down. Like, not even people. I'm in to say the police. You know what I'm saying? So now we finna see what they about to do now, bro, with this new location type shit. Cause this shit retarded, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. This shit mad retarded. These niggas over there, there's people over there too. So like Crispy said, though, we just gonna keep it chill. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully we get some type of action tonight, bro. No cap. You said what? That nigga's talking to me. And once again, I'm Mars, the only black man out here. These niggas blowing big buds, all type of shit. Motherfuckers getting hella high. You know what I'm saying? And we don't know what's going on, but it looked like I found this where everybody at over here. God damn. It smell like big weed around this motherfucker. God damn. So we finna see, bro. This look like this the main section over here. And I'm the only one with a camera and I'm the only black man out here, so we lit. Shit, at this point, I might work for the feds, you know what I'm saying? But damn. Cause I'm the only black nigga out here, bro. I'm always the only black nigga out here at a fucking car beat. Like, that shit be crazy to me. But yeah, bro, they put it up. Damn, we got two blondies up in there. Where my boy Wayne at when I need him? I need my boy Wayne with me, man. We got the baddies outside. I'm all by myself. Everybody smoking around this bitch. I'm about to call the cops. There's too many people smoking. No cap. This where everybody at though. We found the action. But it's park and chill right now, you know what I'm saying? People just walking around this shit. Purely addicted. Who is them? I don't know who purely addicted is, but shout out to them. People that bean. You know what I'm saying? What's this, a CTS-5? Holy shit. This shit fat. This gotta be a CTS-5, bro. No fake. I ain't trying to license. CTS-5, I knew it, bro. CTS-5. Told you, I know my shit, boy. No cap. And is it a black wing or not? I don't know, but this shit wet. No cap. But yeah. Little park and chill, man. You know what I'm saying? But y'all already know me. I like burnouts. Fuck park and chill. We need burnouts and fucking fire and flames and shit smoking up. You know what I'm saying? But police and shit are already here. They over there on the other side. Like literally in the front of the parking lot. But like I said, it's a park and chill. Motherfuckers getting stoned out here. They make me want to go get my weed. I usually never be like ready to smoke once I get here. I just like start the video. But like, it's a bunch of cars here, you know what I'm saying? It's a crazy lineup already, you know what I'm saying? But for the most part, yeah, we outside, man. It's a vlog, another car vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's your boy, LaDarren, and we outside with the work uni on, you know what I'm saying? So I might walk back to the car, because like I said, it ain't nothing going on right now. I'm probably about to give me some shorts, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so I'll see y'all in a minute. So yeah. Y'all can see cops here and shit. Everybody gotta leave. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know what I'm about to do. But I gotta get some minutes, bro. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we just gonna keep recording this. You know what I'm saying? Record people leaving, bro. Until, you know, I guess I get another location or something. I don't know. But yeah, as y'all can see over there, though, cops are over there. Cops right here. Everybody leaving. So this shit weak, you know what I'm saying? No burnouts, no flames, no nothing, bro. And it's fucking Monday, bro. Like, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, bro. This is not the first time this shit be happening. It's just the fact that it always happens. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm stuck on right now. The fact that this always happens, bro. Like, we could never just have a good ass meet Well, I ain't gonna say always, because there's times it was lit as fuck. You know what I'm saying? No cops came. Shit, no cops weren't even tripping. But I'm assuming somebody that called the motherfucking police here anyway. And it looked like, let me show y'all, bro. It looked like it's this fucking weird ass white nigga over here. Like, can y'all see over there, bro? Him standing right there. This nigga look like some fucking NPC. He the one that looked like he done called the cops. You know what I'm saying? That's why the cops all right here and shit, bro, because of him. You know what I'm saying? And I'm speculating that too, because when I walked up, I seen him like basically telling people like just leave and this and that. So I'm just like, bro, what is going on, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like, what is going on? So I don't know, bro. I'm just about to go ahead and leave. Came all the way from work. Loki want to ask the cops what happened, but as a black man, I don't go up to no cops, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? I'm not doing none of that, bro. So I would just, you know what I'm saying, call it a night, bro. I guess it is what it is. Police literally all around this parking lot, bro. Literally around the whole parking lot, to the point where I'm scared. I don't even want to leave. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just talking because, like I said, I need some minutes, you know? And yeah, that's it. But I'm gonna put this camera away though, because I don't want to be the target, you know what I'm saying? Especially getting on these black men out here. So I put my camera down, you know what I'm saying? And get up out of here. I don't even want to see these niggas let me get in my car. So yeah, bro, L night for sure. L night, man. It was another L night too. In the last video I posted, bro, shit was an L. You know what I'm saying? But hey, another night, another video. But I'm about to get out of here, man. Let me get a thumbnail too. Get a thumbnail real quick, bro. Fuck. I just got arrested. Damn. Shit crazy, bro. Like, I'm really like pissed off, bro. Like, I'm not showing it, but I'm really like pissed off, bro. But I'm way in Garden Grove, bro, so if you made it this far though, man, make sure you do like and subscribe. And I got my lighter, yeah. It's crazy, bro. This shit's really a bummer. Then it's like, bro, y'all need to learn how to pick and choose where y'all like, you know what I'm saying, have these meets at, bro. Because if y'all do that, we not gonna, like, this shit not gonna be happening, bro. But like, damn, bro. Alright, y'all, so I'm back, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off, though. You know what I'm saying? I need 8 minutes, so it is what it is. I'm sorry, y'all. This video was boring. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I feel like, I'm keep it a buck with y'all. I go through this a lot, you know what I'm saying? Like thinking like, you know, my videos are boring or I'm not like really entertaining y'all, but at the same time I know I need content and that I gotta post still, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I came all the way out here and the police ended the fucking meet. Somebody called the cops. So I guess that's gonna be the title of this car meet. On this little video, you know what I'm saying? Good bops. You made it this far though, and you shit, I guess, like watching me. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? I do plan on coming back outside again, you know what I'm saying, this week. Y'all stay tuned for the videos because I do got some lit ass content. I do got a lit vlog, some lit vlogs coming up, so y'all stay tuned. You don't want to miss that, you know what I'm saying? But for the most part, I'm gonna wrap this video up, get up out of here, head back to LA, back to work. It's here. Boy! LaDarren. And I'm gonna catch y'all back in the next video. Peace.